Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix picture-in-picture feature not working for YouTube on your iPhone. So let's begin. So first of all, you just need to open your phone settings and then scroll down and select general option, and again scroll down and you can find the option picture in picture. So select it. So make sure you turn on this option. Right now let's back and select YouTube. So after that you just need to go on your profile option and select settings. After select settings, go general. Right now if you don't find here picture in picture, just go back and again scroll down and select playback. Right now you can see there have no option picture in picture. That means you are in outside of USA. So you just need to uh, go YouTube premium subscription and then you can use this feature. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.